What's going on, boys? Welcome to this new series I'm going to be doing, Road to My First Payout with Top Step. And I should have started a series a little longer ago because I'm already on an XFA and this is my second trade on this account. But I just wanted to change things up and kind of do a little series because I'm pretty confident that I will end up getting a payout on this XFA. And this would be my first payout ever from trading. So why not document this thing and maybe strike some hope in you guys, strike some motivation in you guys. But yeah, this was a pretty nice scalp I hit today on this account, and this netted me around $345. So looking at my stats on this XFA, I have traded 2 days so far. Second week of July, I got a win yesterday for $550. Today, one win, $345. And I need 3 more winning days. And usually in the future, I'm not going to take a payout until the account balance is at around like 53 to 54K. But because of the fact that I've never gotten a payout, I just want to pay myself out no matter how much it is. So whatever my balance is at the end of these 3 days, at the end of the next what's it called? After I get these next 3 winning days, I'm gonna take a payout no matter what the balance is, right? So I can lose a trade and then still get my 3 winning days, and I might only be able to take out $500 to $1,000, but that's okay. You know what I mean? That's okay. That's okay. I just want to be fucking proven to myself that you can actually make money. Pay yourself out. I need to see the number, hit the banking account, hit the checkings account, and that'll strike a level of confidence that will be hard to take away, But let's actually just get into the trade now. So as you guys see, we are very, very bullish. I'm just gonna remove all drawings, and I might actually go into trading view so you guys can see my live thought process on this. But coming into actually, let's just go on a trading view. It'll be a little easier for me to show you guys how I was thinking, what my targets were and stuff. I think this is the NQ chart right here. Let's go here, baby. Let's go here, baby. Let's go, baby. Okay, 9:30. Let's remove all these bullshit drawings. Alright. Okay. Perfect. So, again, replay mode sucks. Fucking sucks, dude. Okay. Well, we're just going to have to do this way. So, when market opens, these 2 candles did not happen already. So, we're right around here, right? I see on the 4-hour, we are respecting this fair value gap very nicely. Boom, right here. So, that's showing me that we are bullish, right? We want to take out highs. We don't want to take out these lows, because if we wanted to take out these lows and go lower, we wouldn't be respecting this fair value gap. And that's pretty much how I use fair value gaps, you know what I mean? They kind of tell me where price wants to go. So on the higher time frame, I use fair value gaps to kind of show me what the trend is, because basically if we're respecting bearish gaps, we're bearish. If we're respecting bullish gaps, then we're bullish. And if we're bullish, we're going to take out highs. If we're bearish, we're going to take out lows. So I use this as my main my main factor in determining today's bias, right? So now we have a bullish bias. We got that checked out. Now what are my targets? What am I going to use as TPs? Well, we had these highs here, this London high. We have this high here, and then we have this high here, this all-time high, which is a very high confluence trade. You know what I mean? We're not going to edge all-time highs, bro. We're going to fucking take that shit. But let's now go into market open, and of course replay mode fucking sucks. So as you guys see here, pretty bullshit. You wanted a 1 minute just to show you guys. I had all these levels marked out, right? And I wanted to see a retrace, but market opens and we just fucking run through all of them. Boom. We run through pretty much all of my targets. I think, is this the all-time high one? Yes, okay. So I wanted to get a trade to take out all those other highs, but we didn't get any sort of entry, right? So I'm like, all right, this all-time high is getting hit. Figuring the 4 hour, look at this shit, bro. Reacting off this gap, we're so close to this high. You're telling me we ain't gonna take this shit? Come on, bro. You're telling me we ain't gonna take this high. Bro, it's confirmed. It's confirmed. Why does price keep doing that to me? Oh. Okay. So, price gets really close to this high. At this point, I'm accepting the fact that I'm going to miss out on this whole move, which I was upset about, but I wasn't going to cry, you know, whatever it happens. But as you guys see, we make a lot of imbalances here, and I basically just want to wait for price to retrace into them. And you see here, we get a nice retracement. Boom. We're forming this 5-minute gap. We didn't form it yet, but this candle is what made it, this bearish candle. So now that we are making this 5-minute gap, I kind of just want to wait for price to, what's it called? Tap into it. So we have this 5-minute gap now, unmitigated. We haven't taken out that high yet. On ES, we're nowhere near that high. So I'm just waiting for some sort of displacement, some sort of reaction out of this fair value gap. I wanted to enter originally off this green candle, but the risk to reward would be fucked, and there's a huge imbalance underneath. So this trade is something I would have taken in the past, but I've learned my lesson many times that this is a FOMO entry. When you want to take continuations, you want to wait for a nice retracement, a deep retracement into some sort of PD array. You don't want to just take tiny little reactions like that. You want to wait for something juicy like I'm about to show you. Boom. Boom. Look at that big body. This one green candle, look at that body closure. Closing above all of these wicks, closing above the open of this 957 candle. This candle signifies a change in state delivery, displacement, probably an inverse on lower time frames. Yep, some sort of inverse there. Doesn't really matter. But this candle is more than enough for me to get involved here, right? So we're going to go boom, 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 boom. 1.4. I think I took this with 12 contracts, 12 micros. So boom, there. And look at how quickly. So this was a very low risk trade. I didn't realize how small this stop was. I would have entered, let's see, this is 10 points. I would have entered 10 points times 220. What's 500 divided by 20? I would have entered another like 12. So 24. This is what I should have entered because I want to risk around 500 per trade. I should have bought 24 micros or 2 just normal minis, but I wanted to get involved and I didn't realize how small the stop was, so I kind of just quickly bought in with 12, and boom, fucking boom, we got that shit. So as you guys saw, we hit TP very, very quickly. Literally 15 seconds, we took it out. So that was an absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. I enter right before that big move, and I'm out of the trade in 15 fucking seconds, dude. Beautiful entry. That's all I need. That is all I need. There you go. 15 seconds of actual, like, being in a trade, and I make more than what most people spend 9 hours making. Come on, dude. The game is rigged. The game is freaking rigged. But again, trading isn't really, you can't really treat it as a per hour career. It's more like an athlete. Like, you get paid not dependent on how much you're working. It's about how well you perform while you're working. Like, LeBron gets paid the amount he gets paid because when the game time comes, he fucking performs, bro. That's all there is to it. There could be a guy who sucks ass in games but spends 20 hours a day training, working hard as fuck. But if he sucks in game, guess what? He's getting paid less than LeBron, who LeBron could be practicing 30 minutes a day. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter how much you work. That's the thing with trading. That's what I love about it. It's purely based off of performance. It doesn't matter how hard you grind, how much you think you deserve some shit. If you don't perform and you don't trade well, you don't get paid shit. You can fucking backtest 10 hours a day and make absolutely no fucking money. And that's just a beautiful thing, bro. Very cutthroat. This career, this profession is very cutthroat, very intense, and yeah, a lot of people will not be able to handle this shit. It's very, very grueling. But as you guys see, after we took out that all-time high, we got a huge dump down, and one of my boys caught that reversal. But dude, in all-time high markets, I don't really want to be shorting, bro. I don't really care. Like what are we gonna go for? What are our bearish targets? These lows, like, dude, we're in all-time high conditions. We're bullish as fuck. Look at the higher time frame. Do you want to be shorting here? Look at where the market is going, bro. I don't give a shit about trying to find shorts right now. I'm trying to take out highs, and that's it. Find entries towards highs. Simple, simple, simple. But yeah, that's how we performed today. We did pretty well. $345. This should have been a $500, $700 trade if I risked appropriately. But as I explained, I kind of just wanted to get in quick, and I only entered with 12 contracts. But yeah, I'm very excited for this series. Episode 1 in the books. My account balance is at $50,900. All I need is 3 more winning days, and I'll get that payout. And yeah, if you want to keep watching my journey and keep up to date with how I'm doing, like, comment, subscribe, bro. Fucking boost that shit. Help me get noticed by these algorithm G's. And yeah, that'll do it for the video, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Even if I don't take a trade, I'm still gonna make a video because I like going over the market anyway. It's sort of like a journaling thing I like to do for my own benefit, and it could be to your guys' benefit too. Another thing too is I don't feel comfortable giving advice, or like I don't want to like drop like any sort of course or Discord or anything, because dude, I haven't even fucking had a payout yet, bro. Like, there's a lot of these YouTubers, trading guys out here, influencers, who haven't even gotten a payout yet. They only have gotten 1 or 2 payouts, and they're trying to act like they're fucking like these just superstar profitable traders. If you aren't showing consistent payouts for at least a year or two, you have zero grounds to give advice or to try to coach anyone. So I'm not even gonna entertain the idea of coaching someone until I've been making consistent money for over a year. And you guys gotta be careful on who you listen to, because market conditions change a lot. You can be profitable 1 month and then be fucking very unprofitable the next. So just be careful with that, you know. I don't want to be like a snake oil salesman. I'm not gonna even try to coach anyone or do anything like that until I'm like very confident in what I'm doing, my psychology and all that. Because how embarrassing would it be if you have students and shit, and then you go like on a 3-month dry spell without any payouts or something? Like, dude, I don't want to be that guy, man. I want to be, before I even try to coach or sell anything like that, I want to be very like verified and transparent with my success, so that, you know what I mean, I'm not scamming you guys. Because dude, that's like the way you make money reflects the total amount of success you have. Like, the people who try to scam and make money breaking the law and doing that shit, it always comes back to haunt you. That's negative karma farming, bro. You are depleting your karma. You want to have you want to be on the right side with God and morality. Like, you want to be the one who's making money legitimately, providing an actual, real, valuable service, as in your coaching. You want to actually help people. I don't give a fuck about making money from a course or a coaching service, because I want to make money I want to first make money trading, dude. That's the whole point of this shit, you know. But yeah, that'll do it. Stay tuned for episode 2 of the series. Road to profitability. Road to my first trading payout.